beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Wendy and I am a yoga and Pilates instructor. If you are into health, fitness, yoga, lifestyle videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which is several times a week. Today I have for you a little study break. It won't require any props and not even a mat. So wherever your practice space is, we'll just go ahead and start seated. So from here, just close down your eyes. Take a big breath in and let it go. 2 more like that. Big breath in and let it go. Breath in. Let it go. From this place, finding a little bit of stillness in the mind and in the body. Let's take some head rolls. So we'll just drop our chin down towards our chest. Take the right ear over to the right side. Come back down through chin to chest. And then left ear over to the left side. So just 2 more times like that, down towards the chest and roll. Towards the chest and roll. And just 1 more time each direction, move at your own pace. From here, let's go ahead, stack the head. Let's move the shoulders up towards our ears and then roll the shoulders down and back. Just a few like that, just releasing into the shoulder blades. Good. Now when you're ready, we're just going to inhale nice and tall. Exhale, let's just fold over the legs. A little bit of movement side to side if that feels okay. And then let's come back up towards seated. And let's just switch the legs real quick. We'll inhale, exhale, fold. A little bit of movement side to side if that feels right for you and your body. And then as we're ready, we'll go ahead and come back up. From here, let's just move 2 hands and knees. Few cat-cows. Inhale, we'll drop the belly, lift the crown of the head, lift the tailbone. Exhale, we'll round, look for the belly button. Nice and slow, use the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Use your own breath here to guide you these last few rounds. As I do these, I really like to bend the elbows too. It just gives the shoulders a little bit more room to maneuver. Let's go 1 more round. And exhale. Good, let's go ahead, find a bit of a neutral spine. Let's just step our right foot to the outside of the right hand. We're going to pick up the foot, do a few movements forward and back just to release the hip. Then let's settle that back knee. Tent the fingertips, pull the heart through the chest, let the hips descend. About 3 breaths through each pose. And then we'll go ahead. Let's step the right foot back, step the left foot forward, tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, find a bit of movement forward and back. Not really specific in how it's going. I'm getting some nice hip pops out of this though. That feels good. And then we'll go ahead and settle the back knee down, tent up onto the fingertips. Inhale, draw the chest forward as we let the hips descend. Round out the hands once more. Let's just send that leg back. Let the knees open up, toes come to touch. Push it back, child's pose. Forehead comes to the mat. Find a sense of stillness, a sense of grounding. Allow for a dissolving of the mind. So if you find your thoughts returning to homework, to the day ahead, the day that passed, go ahead, try to return back to the breath and let yourself come into a bit of stillness. Good. From here, we're going to go ahead, open up. Let's pull ourselves back towards hands and knees. Once again, we're going to step our right foot through into the center of our hand. So just a little bit different this time. Ground down here through the left hand. Inhale, reach the right arm forward. Exhale, swim it back. And we're just going to take a few swims. Then we're going to switch the direction, so moving it forward. One more time, let's sweep the arm back. This time we're going to bend the knee, catch the foot on the pinky side edge. Just give your hand a little kick. Exhale, maybe you pull your heel in towards the thigh. Inhale, release. Exhale, pull. Inhale, release. Last one, exhale, pull. Inhale, release. Exhale, let it go. Let's just send our hips back, half split. So as we're here, let's take a few rotations through the ankle, one direction, and then the other. Coming to a place of a little bit of stillness. So we're going to tent our fingertips. Inhale, tilt the chest forward, then exhale, bow forward. Let's inhale back into that lunge. Step the right foot back, left foot comes forward. From here, plant down now through the right hand, reach the left arm forward, big sweep back. You can use the breath here, or you can just take the movements as they come. Let's switch the direction, looping the arm forward this time. One more time, we're going to sweep the arm back. This time we bend in the knee, catch the outside edge of the foot. Inhale, maybe we pull the foot in towards the glute. Exhale, we can release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's inhale, release. And set the hand down. Step back. Let's go ahead and just come onto our sit bones. Let's open up our legs into a wide V. Doesn't really matter how wide apart our legs are. We're just going to bend our left heel in. Let's go ahead, angle over that right foot. Inhale here, exhale, hinge forward. A little Janu Shirshasana. Last breath. With an inhale, we'll start to come up. From here, right hand to the right leg. Let's inhale, sweep the arm over. Exhale, release. Inhale, sweep. Exhale, release. One more. Inhale, sweep. Exhale, release. This time we're going to reach over. Maybe your right elbow comes down to the ground. Left arm reaches up and over. Maybe it reaches for the toe. Not necessary though. Let's inhale, pull ourselves back through center. Let's just switch the legs. Right leg in, left leg out. Let's angle ourselves over the left leg. Inhale, exhale to hinge. Notice the differences between the two sides. I've mentioned this many times, but this side is a lot different than the other one, and it's just up to us to notice and hopefully start to bring ourselves back into balance. Last breath. Good. Let's inhale, take ourselves up. Left hand to the left thigh, kind of open up the hips a little bit more. Let's inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, release. Last one, inhale. Exhale, release. From here, we're going to inhale, come down. Maybe that left elbow grounds. Reach the right arm up and over. Feel the opening through the right side body. Let's inhale, pull ourselves back up, and then let's just fold our legs. All right, very good. I think we're just going to end it there today. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so I know what you guys want in future videos. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.